Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is a very atmospheric Toyota Tundra. This is the wire for this product. This is the disassembly tool. Everyone according to the need to prepare. First, we use tools to pry open the key panel and the cigarette lighter panel below the original car. Then we unplug everything at the back of the panel. We continue to loosen the 4 screws that hold the original car's screen host. It has 2 inside and out. Be careful with the inside, or it will fall. We take off the original screen, unplug all the cables on the back. Now we connect the power cord of the new product to the plug of the original car. Then connect the canvas box. Now we connect the RCA wire to the back of the engine. Connect the video input cable. Connect USB cable. Connect GPS antenna. Okay, now we insert the black electric source into the back of the new product. Install the product onto it. Insert the original car wire back into the key panel. Reinsert the plug on the back of the cigarette lighter panel. Installed appearance. Now the steering wheel button cannot work normally. We need to learn the corresponding settings. Now let's do it. Everything's fine. Support local music or online music. Support video playback. Supports the radio function. You can set the song style according to your preference. Support map navigation. Multiple UI theme styles to choose from. Support Bluetooth phone. There are other features for you to experience. Thanks for watching.